Hi, my name is Zoltan Bonus and this is my demonstration for the Pagerank problem. First, let me try to run the corpus 0 example. As you can see, there are two result sets from this run. The first one is using some random sampling, and the second one is using the iteration method. And this means if I run the same example for the second time, the sampling algorithm will provide slightly different results this time, but the iteration results must remain the same. Of course, this applies to another example, the corpus 1 example in this case. You can also consider results from the two different methods and see that the sampling and iteration results are quite similar to each other, but still they are providing different numbers. Of course, this applies to this example as well, that if I run it for the second time, then the iteration results has to match the first run and the sampling results has to differ a little bit. And as a final example, I will show you how it works for the corpus 2. And if I run it for the second time, you can notice that iteration results are still remain the same and sampling results differ a little bit.